Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now in this video we're going to be talking about Dscout, right? Or Dscout, I think that's how it's pronounced. And we're going to be discussing about the platform and what it is and how you can basically participate here. So Dscout, what happens here? Now, this platform basically is kind of like a research platform, right? What it does is that it allows people to kind of give their opinion on certain maybe products and things like that, and basically like connect companies with users. Like for example, a business might ask you to maybe buy a certain product, maybe put it in a cart because they want to test like their process, like the process of buying. And from that, probably you might need to give like your own opinion on how you felt about the whole process. And these research studies are basically called missions, right? So they have specific instructions that you need to follow. And some of the brands that you'll be working with include Google and Target, Airbnb, Intuit, Spotify, and so on. And I did a little bit of research on Dscout, and it has 3.2 stars out of 14 reviews, which is not that bad. But again, these are just a few reviews to really give a complete picture of this company. And again, this is actually also an unacclaimed profile as well. So you can actually maybe read a couple of these basically to see like how other people view this platform and decide whether it's something that is worth your time or not. So as I've said, like what you'll be doing here is to give your opinions on certain products and services. So apply for projects, right? As I've said, these projects are called missions that have specific instructions, and of course like the missions or these projects must meet or match your skills, right? It should be something that you can actually do. So you can share your thoughts. All right. So once you're selected for the mission, then the researcher will provide you with the questions that you need to respond to accomplish your task. And depending on the requirements, they may be complete on your own or may require maybe a meeting with the schedule. So yeah, there are different types of tasks that you'll be doing. So in others, they might require you to do like a video chat with the researcher or the business, the case might be. Sometimes it might need you to just submit, maybe do a certain process on a certain platform that doesn't need much, just fill in maybe the forms and stuff, things like that. Then after that, you get paid, right? And on the payment, you get paid via PayPal, and you're able to track your earnings in their app. So they do have an application, and you also get paid to refer people as well. And they said if your submission meets the quality requirements, right? So I think they have to evaluate, of course, your submissions or after doing certain tasks. And if that met the requirements that they need, you can expect to get your payment within 8 days from the day that you did the task. Influence everyday brands. So as I've said, like you will be giving like your opinions on maybe certain products and services, and that basically contributes to how a company develop their products and also maybe future product as well. So this actually shapes the end products that the company will be able to produce. Examples of some of the things that, as I've said, like I've mentioned, include like things like that, where you need to purchase something like a fiscus, whatever this product is, and then this whole thing in checkout, and right, so they will be doing projects similar to this, and this is actually maybe e-commerce business that maybe want to test their new e-commerce platform and how it works. So with this is actually very important. Why people love participating in research projects on Discord. And these are actually some of the comments by some of these participants. And one of them said, I've made more money on this than any survey app. The feeling when the money hits your PayPal is amazing. So you can read some of these comments and just to see what's up, right? Make a splash, get paid. Why become a scout? So the being a member of this platform you make a real impact. As I've said, like companies need different opinions, especially from the customers in their market, to make their products so that they suit what the market wants, or they suit the real needs of their market. And you get to explore new developments, and you earn flexibly, right? You get to do this basically at home, at your own time, and at your own place. So that's a very nice thing to have. Select from a variety of projects. So some of these include this one, said ice cream, you scream, home dreams, kind of different maybe projects. Tell us what you think. What are you entertained? Things like that. These are some of the things that you'll be doing anyway. A piece of grind. So they have different prices. Like each project does have different amount that you will be rewarded. And the benefits of joining the research projects, the Dscout. So far, so good. I'll say these are some of the benefits, right? Discover an abundance of opportunities. You collaborate with familiar and beloved friends. Then you'll be paid very well for your time. So this platform is basically completed like more than 300 plus missions, and it has 500 plus brands that are actually participating here. And average per minute that has been earned on this platform is $1, and it is paid $9 million so far, since 2024. And in order to start the process of registering, you have to come here on become a scout today and click on this sign up button. This will take you to this page, which you need to enter a few details. The first will be like your name, your last name, then your email, and your password. Then you click agree on the terms, then you sign up. Now this of course will open this dashboard. Now the very first thing that you're going to see is this one called Join Dscout XT, which I think is some sort of a program that they have. It says skip applications and receive exclusive discount opportunities while you search, shop, and more on Chrome and Edge browsers. So it's kind of, I don't know, an extension or something like that. So that's very interesting to see. And then you need to scan this with your phone to continue with the registration process. And once you're done, this will be your dashboard, right? It's closed. There are no missions or anything. So I think when you get like a mission, you will see this in the notifications. I think that's when you will see that, right? And here you can actually replace this with your own custom profile. Then you can connect to this called the XT. It's kind of like a forum and something like that. And then in this part, you can see the amount that has been earned so far, missions that have been completed, and you can actually complete the profile further by adding your location, your birthday, and your profile photo, your gender, employment status, and so on, right? We also need to add like a PayPal email as well. And for more questions, you can come here to the help section. You can search for whatever question that you have, maybe that you need help with, or you can actually read the information under this title right here, live missions participate. So if you press this kind of arrow, of course, you'll see more information about this. So as I've said, like I did kind of research about this platform, and I didn't get much information on it. But again, you can actually read these reviews, but I'll say most of them are not that great, kind of in the mixture. And you can see like some of this says that I was working with somebody through Dscout, evaluating the phone tool that we're using to work remotely for my business. I've spent weeks and weeks doing all the Dscout uploads, and I've not yet heard back from the person I'm doing this for since Christmas and da 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 da. So guys, that's all about Dscout. And again, thank you for watching this video. I would say if you want to try Dscout, I think you have nothing to lose, right? Just go ahead and try it. But I don't think that it will work for most people that are in maybe Africa and other places. But I'll say for the US, you will get, I think, some tasks to do. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you in the next one.